My name is Amia Funches, and today's Irish Spotlight is on Laura Correa. So I've heard that you're in the Latino Student Union. How long have you been a participant?
I've participated all 4 years. However, I feel like during my sophomore year and maybe my junior year, it was a low participation activity. I feel like not a lot of people were participating in it very much, but I've technically been in it for 4 years.
Cool. So you're the president of the LSU as well, right?
Yeah.
What has that been like so far?
So far, it's actually been fun because I feel like all of the members in LSU have been super supportive and they've been super excited, especially with the assembly. It has been a little bit stressful planning the assembly, but like I said, everybody has been super supportive, participating, so it's been pretty good.
So we had the Multicultural Assembly this Friday. Is there anything you can tell us about it?
I think we should be really excited. It's very short. Our stuff is very short, but we do have a lot of people coming in, and we do have a lot of special stuff that you'll get to see. I won't spoil it, but
From what I've heard, you're also in band, concert choir, and show choir. What made you decide to participate in so many musical type courses?
so I actually grew up with music. My parents are both musicians. They met through music. So I think it's just an important part of my life.
Cool. Since you're a senior and this is your last year at Cathedral, is there anything you're looking forward to?
Senior retreat.
Oh, yes.
Senior retreat. Yes, because I'll get to connect with other seniors that I've never talked to before, and I just heard it's a really good experience.
Cool. Thank you.